Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture Inferencing in Local PC. So right now I will do the entire setup not in Colab but in my local PC. So here from scratch I will create an environment, install the packages, clone the repo, Protos conversion, installing object detection and finally a verification and then inferencing. So let's jump into this. So this is the official models repo which I need to clone. So I will just copy this one. Okay, or even I will just copy this one, copy link address, anyone you can take. If you are using this one, then you have to use git clone, otherwise here wget to download the zip. Then some references I need. So the references which I need is that object detection tutorial notebook. So here is the notebook, I will just open it. Okay, and here is my terminal. Okay, so I think it will be visible. So right now I am in my desktop. I will create a directory here, tfod2.x. Okay, so I will just do tfod2.x and here I will just clone that particular report that I have copied. It's much smaller one as compared to last time. Okay, you can see only 31 MB. So it's done. Then I will do an unzip. Okay, then an ls I will do just to check a models master. Okay, so I will just rename this one models master to models. Okay, now the first step that I have to do is installation of the libraries that I need. So the first library that I need is TensorFlow. So let me just open this one for reference. Okay, so right now it's mentioned here, so I think I can use 2.2. I will do a pip. So let me just create a new environment. It's always a good approach. So conda create -n tfod2.x and then python equal to 3.8. I think 3.8 will work. Okay, now the environment is getting created. Just make it bigger. Okay, now I will just activate this environment. Okay, let me clear everything. So after that I need to install the packages. So for the installation of the packages, you can go here and you can copy and you can paste it. Okay, so this one is, you don't need an exclamatory sign. Let me just install 2.2. Okay, so it will take some time. In the meantime, I need tfslim also to be installed. The installation is taking a bit of time. Now the installation is done. So let me install tfslim in the next step. Okay, tfslim got installed. Now what are the things I need? PyCoco tools, because I'll be using a Coco trained model. Okay, so GitHub already I have cloned. I don't need this particular one. So this command I need for the Protos conversion. So what I will do cd models, then research. Okay, let me just clear everything. And here I will do the Protos conversion. This command executed. So right now the conversion is completed. So what are the next steps that I need to do? Okay, I have to actually cd models. Okay, so I have to install the object detection library. So I will just do a copy object detection, then packages, then tf2 setup.py. I will copy it here inside research, and then I will do a pip install dot, or even I can do a python setup.py install, so both will work. Okay, so let me check in the meantime what other things, then the imports actually, so we can work on that at a later point. So let these things, okay, everything requirement satisfied, so most of the things are already pre-installed in my system. So everything got installed. In the next step, I think I can open the Jupyter notebook. So I will just do a cd object detection. Okay, so I think Jupyter won't be installed. I have to do the installation of Jupyter also. Pip install Jupyter. Now Jupyter will be installed in this environment. Then I will open the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so let me open Jupyter hyphen notebook. Okay, and it got opened. So from here, collab tutorials and then object detection tutorial. Okay, so these are the installation steps that I have done separately, so I won't be repeating here in my local. I will start here from import. If something is missing, I need to do the installation of that. Okay, here this is working. What's the default model I will be using? Okay, some error I got. Okay. So this is the error. Actually, the path is wrong. Okay, it's based on the collab path. So I will just do a PWD right here. I will change this path. Okay, after that object detection is also there. Object detection. Okay, right now I think it will work. Yeah, it worked. Then again the path also I have to change here also. So object detection. This path of test images also I've changed. Okay, pathlib is not defined. Okay, so I do need to install pathlib. So what I will do, pip install pathlib, and then I will try to import it. Import pathlib. Okay, spelling mistake, sorry. Pathlib, yeah. And now you can see actually these two images came. So the model will be downloaded here. And see actually, and now most of the things should work. Even instance segmentation, these things we do need. So for now, let me just don't look at them. Okay, so this is the same piece of code that we used in the last time, but we have done the setup in local, okay? And these two things are pretty much working. So in the next step, let me just use a different model, okay? And different test images. So let's do that. So let's pick a model from the model zoo. Inside object detection, there would be G3 docs. So from here, your detection zoo. Okay, let me use this one. Copy link address. And I will be doing the same changes that I have done last time. So the model that I will be using, just getting the path. So this is the path that I need to be added in this particular function. Okay, now it got added. So let me just try to download now. And in the meantime, let me just get some images. Okay, business work. Let me just try to pick. Okay, yeah, let me just take this picture for now. Open image. So two images only I will be picking. Okay, yeah, this image will be good. An image in new tab. Oh, where I want to save the image. So everything is my desktop. TF41.x models, research, inside research object detection, and then test images. Here I want to save it. Yes, save this image and this image. Okay, so I have returned the model, and the other thing that I need to add it here is I need to change this model name. So here I'll be changing that. Okay, and JPEG, the format that is there. So let me just reload everything from here. So you can see actually some of the things got added. Okay, two new pictures. The model downloading has started. Okay, it's downloaded. And now the model is loading. Okay, a lot of warnings you will get. Then we can check actually what are the data. I will say data types. Then basically what is the signature of the model, the output types. So this one is taking place. Model name efficient D1. Okay, the loading time is little bit high as compared. Now it's done. Then we will check for the inputs. Then show inference and finally the image. Okay, the first image got rendered. Okay, so two images that we have used. Okay, now you can actually understand. Okay, so it's a laptop. Okay, it identified pretty good. Then this is a person. Without seeing the face of the person, it's identifying it as a person. Good work. Then cell phone. Okay, something it is missing. Right here, two persons. Okay, and this is something like a monitor. So it's just telling it as a TV. So the results are pretty good here. So guys, in this lecture, we have done the setup of TF42.x in our local. Then in the next section, we'll be talking about custom training. So see you guys in the next section. Bye.